welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very crispy, tasty and quick snack using Suji or Rava. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of Suji or Rava, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of oil. Give it a nice mix using a spoon. Make sure the oil is well spread. Now it's nicely done, so go ahead and add 1/4 cup of water and knead it well. We're looking for a chapati dough consistency. Now we have the perfect consistency. Drizzle a teaspoon of oil and coat it well. Let this rest for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes now. Knead a little again. Pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Then roll it into a cylinder shape like this. I've taken a fork, place it in the fork back and spread it this way. Start to roll from one end and seal it like this. Repeat the same for the rest and keep it ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, drop in one by one. Let this fry in medium flame for 5 minutes. Flip the sides in between to make sure all the sides are well done. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of besan or gram flour, a tablespoon of rice flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a quick mix. Then to this add 1/2 cup of water and mix well. We're looking for a dripping consistency batter, so add water accordingly. Now we have the perfect consistency and our kara bundi batter is now ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. Place a ladle with ice like this right above the oil. Pour a ladle full of batter on this ladle. The batter will start to drop into the oil as pearls. Shake it slightly to help the batter fall. Keep the flame in medium high throughout the process. Now flip sides and let this cook for a few more seconds until they turn nice and crispy. After a few seconds, the bundis are well done and ready, so let's now remove from the oil. Likewise, make all the bundis. Then to the same oil, add 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts and fry for a few seconds. Once they are done, remove. Then add 3 garlic cloves and few curry leaves. Remove them in few seconds. Now add the bundi to a mixing bowl. Then add the fried peanuts, the curry leaves, the garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. You can alter the spice levels according to your taste. Toss well to mix. Now a healthy and delicious kara bundi is ready. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can use for 2 weeks time. Serve it with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a healthy snack recipe. So do try this kara bundi recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.